welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is World Rainforest Day. June 22nd is observed as World Rainforest Day. It is a collaborative effort to raise awareness and encourage action to protect the world's rainforest. The theme for World Rainforest Day 2023 is Conserve, Restore, Regenerate. The day was founded in 2017 by Rainforest Partnership. The day celebrates the importance of healthy, standing rainforest for climate, biodiversity, culture, and livelihoods, and convenes a global movement to protect and restore them. In 2021, the World Rainforest Day Summit was also launched, bringing together people and organizations from the world to spark action and drive resilient forest protection. Rainforests are forests that receive a great amount of rainfall, more than 80 inches each year. Composed of millions of unique ecosystems, rainforests are the central nervous system of our planet, a hotbed of evolution, life, and diversity. They are also home to millions of human beings that have been a part of forest ecosystem for thousands of years.